Hello students, I have a demonstration here. As you can see, I have a PHP file here on this side. Okay, this should be familiar to you. A very simple form which takes our two numbers and then calculate the sum and show it to the user. This is very simple. And here the PHP processor that I use is XAMPP. Okay, normally we pronounce it as XAMPP instead of XAMPP because it's so clumsy. So let's look at the behavior of this application. So I'll create a new tab here, and then I will enter the URL, which is a localhost. Okay, let me record this one. Now, as you can see, when I run this program, it gives me some kind of warning. Actually, it is called a notice. As you can see, it's called a notice. Okay, but it's actually some kind of error. Okay, there's two lines. Okay, and there's a line 2 and line 3. So this is line 2. It's referring to this line. It says that undefined index value 1 in this program, okay, which is this one. So what is happening here is because when this program runs for the first time, this array, this $_post array is undefined, has not been created yet. So it's giving us this notice. And it doesn't affect the functioning of this program. For example, if I enter the value of 5 and 7 here and click calculate values, it works correctly. As you can see, when I run it the second time, okay, because the $_post arrays already have some values in here, there's no longer any error messages. But these messages are still not nice to the user, okay, although it does not affect the functioning of the program. So we don't want the user to see these error messages. So what should we do? Well, actually, it's very easy. So first of all, we have to look at the configuration of this Apache server. Now notice the exam includes a number of things, includes the Apache server here. Okay, actually the A in exam stands for Apache. Okay, so let's click config and let's select PHP.ini, which is the initialization file for the PHP processor. Let's search for error reporting. As you can see, error reporting, there are many values for error reporting. Let's search for the next one. Now, this is the line that controls the error reporting behavior. So by default, it's using the production value. You see, this value is the same as this value. Okay. So this is production, which means that it's going to report everything except for those features that are deprecated and except for those strict errors. But it includes notices as well. So what do we need to do if we don't want it to report notice warnings? Well, we can use the default value here. As you can see, it reports everything except notices, except strict errors, and except deprecated values. Okay, so let's copy this line, this expression, and then paste it here. And then let's save this file and close it. Do you know what do we have to do next? Okay, of course, if we try to run it again, it will give us the same error. Okay, so let's try to reload it. Actually, we have to close this tab and then start a new one. As you can see, it still gives us the warning. Why? Because for the PHP.ini file to take effect, we have to stop the Apache server. Now, previously the color was green, now it's gray. There's no color, meaning that it stopped. So let's start again, yellow and green. Okay, now the Apache server is ready. Okay, now if we delete this tab, create a new tab, reload the page. Now, even though the answer is 0, okay, they have nothing here, but there's no notices or no warning here. Okay. Now all along we have not changed this program. So this shows you how to manage applications on the web server without changing the value of the code. Thank you. Bye bye.